I'm Amy and I'm going to show you around the Shoals Marine Lab on Appledore Island. We are currently in the Palmer-Kinney lab. There's two sides, so there can be like two classes in here at once. There's a lot of just organisms in the sea table that people can come and look at that were collected. This is one of the student dorms. Usually they'll be divided by class, living in the dorms. And so we have 3 dorms. I live down over there. Oh my goodness. So there's a lot of bird people out here who just love birds. We see obviously a lot of gulls. We see terns that come over from White Island, but we also see a lot of like songbirds. This is a migration stop for them. This is Crystal Lake, one of the freshwater lakes that we have on Appledore. And the gulls like to chill here, the muskrats like to chill here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We are coming to this site. It's called Half Tide Ledges. We're gonna set some bucket traps and minnow traps to catch mummy chog fish and shrimp. And then I'm also going to be collecting snails. The tide came in. We were just having too much fun. It's really deep. I keep these nets, or basically anything higher than my head. Sometimes I'll use a fist if I don't have anything, because the gulls will attack the highest points. So they won't actually like hit you, but it is a little scary. The terns will hit you.
I've been pooped on by gulls.
Oh yeah, 100%, everybody.
Yeah, the terns they like
dive bomb your head. Yeah. We are in Kiggins Commons. This is where we eat our meals and have the weekly rock talks and hang out and do work. The food here is really good. The meals here are breakfast is 7:30, lunch is 12:30, and dinner's at 6, except for on Sundays when we have brunch at 10 a.m. and then dinner at 5. It's a good way to break up your day and be like, okay, I know that I have a meal coming up and I can stop working for 5 minutes.
Sorry.
Oh, hello.
Don't even start with me, bird.
Don't even start with me, bird.
We are at Founders Hall, and this is where I live. This is my bed. At night, the seagulls are definitely active. I don't know if they're ever quiet. Some nights it like lulls me to sleep. It's just kind of constant. I'm like, yeah, that's cool. And then other nights it's really, really annoying, but you kind of get used to it. Watch out for this gull. He may be a little mad. Hello. I know. You're babies. I know. A bit dramatic. And we're about to go into the dungeon.
And what's the dungeon?
The dungeon is the place where all of the interns do their thing. In this room we have like the seabird interns and then intertidal. This is Sophia. Sophia's an intertidal intern with me. And then Ariel does her muskrat stuff here. This is dungeon proper, the seal intern space, and then we kind of all meet here. Sometimes we play Mario Kart. This is where I do my research. So this is where the parasite team hangs out. Sustainability is a big thing on the island. Appledore is mostly powered by solar and wind. Yeah, we try to do our best out here on this island to create little waste as possible and make good use of the environment. I'm standing in Celia Thaxter's garden. Celia Thaxter used to run the hotel that was on Appledore, and she was also very famous, one, for her garden. This garden is recreated every year. The most popular flower in her garden were the poppies, which you can see right here. We're on the porch of Layton. Layton's one of our classroom buildings. There's 2 classrooms downstairs, 1 upstairs, and then a library. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Hope this gave you an idea of what the Shoals Marine Lab is like, but the best way to experience it is to come out and visit.